Geomagic Design X is the premier software for scan-based design. With Design X, you can create highly accurate CAD models from real-world objects, allowing you to speed up product development, reduce costs, and design parts that are difficult or impossible to create any other way. Best of all, the CAD models created in Design X can be transferred as native files to leading CAD software like Dassault Systèmes SolidWorks, PTC Creo and Pro E, Autodesk Inventor, and Siemens NX and Solid Edge. We'll use Design X to design a new housing for this differential. The original differential was 3D scanned directly into Design X using the Live Scan feature. 3D Systems is partnered with many 3D scanner makers so that you can scan directly into Design X. You can also import point cloud and mesh data from any 3D scanner, including structured light, laser, and even CT scanners. Our legendary mesh editing tools are built in, enabling us to clean up, align, and merge the scans into a single object with ease. We'll start from a fully merged scan, and we'll save time by skipping most mesh cleanup since Design X can create CAD models from imperfect mesh data. To facilitate the scan-based design process, Design X automatically recognizes the different geometric regions that make up this part, and applies colors to them so we can easily select these features and use them to speed up the design process. The feature regions will help us align the scan to the global coordinate system using the alignment wizard, a key step to making a good CAD model. Now we can start to design our part. Geomagic Design X works just like any other parametric solid modeler, with tools and a workflow that will be instantly recognizable to anyone who designs in feature-based CAD. But Design X takes advantage of the fact that we have a scan of the part, so it automatically creates features using modeling wizards. These amazing tools let the software recognize extrusions, revolves, sweeps, lofts, and pipes directly from the scan, and creates intelligent features in one click. When we right-click this region, a shortcut to the wizard tool allows us to select the walls, bottom, and top of the main extrusion of this differential. Then Design X will create a reference plane, a dimension-driven sketch, and an extruded solid. All of these are editable now or later in any of the CAD applications that Design X natively supports. The majority of the differential housing can be modeled using these wizards. As we proceed through the modeling process, we can use the software's accuracy analyzer, which gives us real-time deviation analysis between the scan and our CAD body. This allows us to validate the accuracy of our previous operations, as well as discover any areas we still need to model. If you need more control over the creation of certain features, Design X can generate sketches from the scan data with ease. We'll take a cross-section of the scan part, then trace a sketch with dimension-driven 2D arcs, lines, and splines. Or you can use the Auto Sketch tool that will place entities and constraints automatically. The Accuracy Analyzer is available to highlight the deviation between sketch and scan, so you'll always know just how accurate you are. After we've made the sketch, we can extrude it to make a feature. Notice how the extrusion automatically snaps to the right distance based on this region on the scan data. Design X also handles complex surfaces with ease. Here we'll fit a high-accuracy surface to a region of the mesh. This can be done with a mesh fit surface, or a loft, or a sweep. The software has the tools to make whatever surface you need, and it will do it automatically from the scan. Surfaces can be stitched together into a solid, or used to cut bodies, and their quality can be checked with the Accuracy Analyzer. Finishing touches like fillets, chamfers, and bolt holes are all easy to create. Design X will automatically calculate the fillet radii, hole locations, and size from the scan data. Now that we've completed the CAD model in Design X, we can transfer it as a native part to our CAD software of choice. Design X uses proprietary live transfer technology to send the model feature by feature to SolidWorks, Creo, Pro E, Inventor, NX, and Solid Edge. In this example, we'll send the data to Autodesk Inventor. The CAD software is launched and Design X automatically sends each feature over step by step. If there's a feature that won't live transfer, the tool will pause in the background so that we can create the feature manually, and then the transfer can be resumed. Once the live transfer process is complete, all sketches, reference geometries, and modeling operations can be edited just as if they had been created in the CAD software manually. We have a truly native model that performs like any other design, except for it was made faster and more easily because it came from a scan. The entire process of designing a new differential housing takes less than 3 hours. Compared with creating a design from scratch, Design X saves days or even weeks of effort, and it's more accurate to this existing part too. DesignX has the flexibility to be used for virtually any product design, from tiny electronic components up to entire buildings, and everything in between. Contact us today to learn how DesignX can help you speed up your design process, reduce costs, and accelerate time to market.